Raindrops on lenses. Raindrops on lenses. Pictures of birdies or pictures of family. This is the tough choice with which life has damned me. One's very social and one's very not. Could we combine them? Let's give it a shot. I've got two hobbies that hold my attention. People make fun of me, such condescension, but rather than ditch one and leave it behind, let's put them together and see what we find. My sweet wife Kimmy, what winged one would you be? I'm kinda thinking a blue-footed booby, or maybe a mockingbird, maybe a shrike. No, never mind that, the booby me like. And what kind of bird would make sense for young Danny? Frankly, I'd say he's a bit sandhill craney, or maybe a tattler chatting away, narking on daddy at all times of day. When folks won't pose, when they won't smile, when they shun the lens, I simply imagine them growing some wings and life is all good again. Now let's consider my dear mother Sydney. She quite resembles a nuthatch that's pygmy. Lance is a weaver bird padding his nest, or maybe an old coot, just kidding, I jest. Susie likes Pinot and painting and bunco, so very playful I'd say she's a junco. Chloe's a toey with soft plaintive cries. Guy is a loony bird, look at his eyes. Jer is an owl, so thoughtful, non-reckless. Lisa's a phalarope, not one to mess with. Emma's a pipit, so bubbly and cute. Species that live in Alaska to boot. When folks won't pose, when they won't smile, when they shun the lens, I simply imagine them growing some wings and life is all good again. What's that they say about birds of a feather? When I think lovebirds, I think Craig and Heather. Nick is a flicker and Allie's a grebe. Carol's a snipe like you wouldn't believe. Next on the list, let us contemplate Gary. We know he's a pecker, but downy or hairy. Michael's an egret, it's easy to tell. Joe plays the passenger pigeon role well. Engel like shiny things, sort of like seagulls. Miley in no way reflects harpy eagles. Mad Dog's a raven and Xavier's a crow. One is a trickster, the other's his bro. When folks won't pose, when they won't smile, when they shun the lens, I put them together, my two favorite things, and that's where my sadness ends. Raindrops on lenses and rock-steady tripods. Podcasts about birds on my Androids and iPods. Raindrops on lenses and rocksteady tripods. Podcasts about birds on my Androids and iPods. These are a few of my favorite things. These are a few of my favorite things. Chickadee.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird. Bird is a winner. Well, a bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird. The bird's a winner. Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a winner. Well, a bird. The bird's a winner. Well, everybody's heard about the bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a 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 bird. The bird's a winner. Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody's talking about the bird. Well, a bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird. Mama